Hello everyone, welcome back to Coding Tricks. So in this session we are going to see the next task, that is task 20B from data analysis. So what is this? Is create a spreadsheet model that looks like this. Place a formula in cell C2 that multiplies the contents of cell E2 by the contents of cell B2. Format cell A2 as an integer. So here we should write this type of table, and then we should multiply this, then we should convert this to integer. That is what they are telling. We should do this now. Okay, I'm going to open the spreadsheet. So in this, we should write first, second, and then product. So here I'm going to write first, then second, then product. The values are 1.2 and 5. 1.2, I think 5, right? Yes, it is 5. So the values are 1.2 and 5. So if you want to multiply this, how you will multiply? Equal to this multiplied with this number. See, you are getting this as 6. Then next, what they ask you to do? They will ask you to multiply the contents of cell A2 by the contents of cell B2. Then format cell A2 as an integer. So you should format this cell A2 as an integer. So I'm going to format this. How to format this is just right click on the cell. Then you will finding format cells. Right click on the cell. You will be finding format cells. Then here it should be number. And here the decimal places should be 0 because they said it should be integer. So integer will not have the decimal places. So the decimal places should be 0. Okay, it should be the number, and if you want any currency or date, time, percentage, whichever you want, you can select from here. So in fact our task, they said it is an integer. So I'm going to select 0. And see, still the product is not changing. Why? Because it is remaining the same as it is as 1.2 internally. So we will be forcefully making this number to int. So you can either round it or you can make it as equal to int of this number. Equal to int of this number. Now the product has changed to 5. Before you can see it is 6. Now after applying the formula, you will be changing to, it will be changed to 5. You can either do int or you can round it. Anything you can do. 2 options you have. So the next thing is, next task is task 20W. So open the file const.csv, format cells A1, D1, D3, T3 and G3 so that the font is bold and 14 points. So you will open the file and then it should be the bold and font 14. A1, D1, D3 and G3. So let us open the cost file. Here it is. So I'm going to select this. So let me minimize because I can do at a time. So they said A1, D1, D3 and G3. So this is A1. So it should be bold and the point is 14 points. So how to make it bold? Select it and you can click here B, or else you can do Ctrl plus B, the shortcut icon. So the font is bold and it should be 14 points. So it should be 14 points. So like this. And then format all. So A1, D1, D3 and G3 all you will do. So you can select A1, D1. Okay, A1, D1 also. So bold and then font is 14 points. And then A1, D1, D3 also. This one D3 and then G3 also, both. So the font bold and the font is 14. So now what else we should do? Format all numeric cells in row 2. Format all numeric cells in row 2 into their respective currencies to 3 decimal places. So, for what there are in row number 2, so we should select the currency to 3 decimal places. So we will do the same procedure. So in row 2 we will be selecting these two and then 3 decimal places they said. So format cells and then so you said you have seen that how to make the decimal places, right? So 3 decimal places you have done. Okay, then what else? Format all numeric cells into row 2 into the respective currencies. So they said respective currencies. So like for Europe currency, so you will be selecting a currency here and respective currencies symbols you will have here. So whatever the currency you want, you can select here. So Europe currency, you will be selecting Europe currency. So you will find it here. If you are searching here, you will find Japanese here. So second one we want Japanese. First one we want Europe. Still I did not get this euro. So we can select this currency and then for Japan, you can select Japanese currency. Same, again you will search from here. We found somewhere, right? Scottish. See, this is Japanese. Then this is how you will be finding. And then format and numeric cells in column C and D into pound sterling with 2 decimal places. So in column C and D with into pound sterling with 2 decimal places. So here you will format the cells as, so you will be changing this currency to pounds. So you will be changing this currency to pounds. So you will select here pounds, it is a type of E symbol, something pounds will be. So you will search here and you will find some pound symbol. Okay, let us take this English. Okay, same thing. For this also you will be doing the same pound symbol. So you will be going format cells. Again you will search and you will find the E symbol. So let us take some symbol whatever we can. Okay. Then after that format the cells in pound with 2 decimal places. So it's already in 2 decimal places. So you can also check format cells and then 2 decimal places here. It's already with 2 decimal places. This is also with 2 decimal places. Then format cell E5 to E15 into euros with the 2 decimal places. So format cells E5 to E15. So this with euro symbol. So again you will be selecting this E5 to E15 format cells E5 to E15. Again you will select some currency euro. This is very hard task, right? Searching here and finding. So you will be finding euro. So okay, so this you will get like before this one. So you can find the other symbol because we got it last, so you can find it like same as this one. So then E5 to E15 with 2 decimal places you got, but the symbol is in last because we selected the other symbol. And then format the cells F5 to F15 in Japanese yen with 0 decimal places. So again you will select from where to where F5 to F15. Then format cells currency and then you will be finding Japanese. Just here it is. So 0 decimal places you will find 0 decimal places. So this is how you will be getting. Then format cells G5 to G15 into percentage values with no decimal places. So this one you will find G5 to G15 with 0 decimal places, and then you will be finding percentage with 0 decimal places. That's all. This is as simple as this. So this is how only this one we will do it again. So format cells in currency, and then you will be finding euro symbol, Chinese, then where euro. So here they have mentioned here 1, 2, 3. If you want it as the right side, you will be finding right side. If you want left side, you will be finding left side, like this. So both the ways it is I have shown you. Then this is task 20W. That's all for this video. Thank you everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and share. Thank you.